This is the final project for Decision Tools and Visualization, Business 358, directed by Professor Elliot Bendeley. To initiate our project, there's a large Begin button, which the user can choose, and our first dialog pops up, in which the users, ideally a group of roommates, can choose how many roommates are searching for housing. In this case, we'll use a group of 3 roommates looking for an apartment with 3 rooms. Now, this application is designed for Emory students for searching for off-campus housing, so the apartment options are generally apartments that are nearby campus. And continue. The next dialog box is a user form with a map image on it, a map of Emory University and the surrounding areas. And located on the map are a number of points of interest, we call them, in 4 different categories. The red ones are grocery stores in the area. The green ones are bars. The light blue icons are restaurants, and the purple icons are shopping areas. So we will choose one option from each group. Do Trader Joe's, Moe's & Joe's, Los Loros, and Atlantic Station. And then we will continue. And then we have our first preference option. So the first roommate gets to choose his preferences on a number of criteria from 0 to 10. Multiple levels, garage, whether these things are important to them, the proximity to the Cliff Shuttle stop, proximity to school itself, proximity to points of interest, the square footage of the apartment, whether it has a balcony or not, whether it has a security gate, the laundry convenience, and the bathrooms. So the user inputs the numbers from 0 to 10 based on their preference. And if he tries to use a number outside the range, an error message pops up, and he cannot continue until he fixes the value. We continue. And those values are stored in a sheet, and the second user begins to use. We'll see the error message pop up again. And on to the third user. And then, after the third user, or the final user, depending on how many roommates are selected, chooses to continue, and an output is displayed that shows the results. And what it shows is the floor plans of the 3 top apartments given the user's preferences. And we have a sheet that tabulates all of the results and uses a number of solving statements and if statements to assign values and to score the apartments effectively. And so basically the floor plans are displayed, and all 3 users can then decide collectively which floor plan they deem is best suited for their interests. So let's say they choose option 1, and we will then proceed to the summary page in which option 1's floor plan is displayed, in addition to a number of summary features, including the name of the complex it's located in, the price per month, the square footage, the address of the complex, and a phone number to call to reserve at this time. If the users decide they are not satisfied, the roommates do not like their option, they can return to their top choices and take a look at a different option and see the same information displayed for any of their options and come to a collective decision about which is the best apartment suited for their interests.